Hey guys, Stephen Phillips here, back in the garage. Today we have Keith from Gehrke Group. How you doing, Keith?
Doing fantastic. And yourself?
I'm doing great. Thanks for coming out today.
Thanks for having me back.
So today we're looking at the Switchback. Tell us more about the Switchback, what it is, and what it helps us do.
Well, what this is this is an Aries product. It's one of our brands under the Gehrke Group logo. And we wanted to come to the market with something really aggressive, something that's really going to take the persona of a headache rack to a whole new level. And I believe we've done it with this particular product. This is a completely angular product. It is an aluminum product. It's powder coated, so you don't have to worry about rusting or anything along that line. The honeycomb backing is a great system as far as being able to attach accessories to. As you can see, we've got the accessory mounts for the LED lights. So you can do multiple, light angles with it as well. If you want to do your lighting below, you can do your lighting below as well. The other unique feature that we've done is we use all stainless steel hardware so that we can eliminate any rusting issues as well. So we have a patented pocket design system that actually mounts to the top down. So what happens is, as it drops into this pocket, it expands and it tightens down the headache rack to the bed of the truck. So it gives you a good solid fill. There's no messing around with this thing. It's got an awesome look to it. It's lightweight, it's easy to use. There's a couple different configurations with it as well. As you can see, we don't have the window piece into it, so if somebody has a sliding back window, they can choose to have that section out. Or if they don't have a sliding window, or if they just like the look, they can actually put that piece in, and it's going to give them a really cool, aggressive look. The other features that we've given them is we give you the attachment points underneath so that when you're working with your lighting, you have a place to run your electrical down to be able to conceal that as well. Always our third light in the back is going to be open for you as well. Now, the other thing that we did is we wanted to be able to not only address lighting for the back of the vehicle and being able to do work and lighten up the areas behind you, as well as the areas to the front of you, to the side of you. So we did a slotted system across the very top of it so that you can either use a full LED light or you could do multiple light applications facing forward as well as backwards.
Great, that's a lot of good stuff you've baked in there.
Yes.
So what kind of warranty do you offer on this product?
A limited lifetime warranty. Being aluminum powder coated, there shouldn't be any issues whatsoever.
Perfect.
The welds are phenomenal on this. They've done a really knockout job with the angular design. And like I said, taking this headache rack to a whole new level. Now,
moving on very briefly to the installation. On the difficulty scale, I'll give this a 3 of 10. And as far as the timeline it took, probably 25 minutes. And you could knock this out with yourself or a buddy. And like I said, maybe 25 minutes. It's really pretty straightforward to do.
Yes, it is.
And one of the cool things I will note about this headache rack is you can actually use some tonneau covers with it.
Yes, what we found is most of your in-bed rail mounting systems will work perfectly, be able to seal up the bed of the truck as well as give you a very aggressive, great looking headache rack. Some of the systems that you will find in the industry that do fit it, there may be some modifications that you need to do as far as trimming a little bit of the metal out so that the headache rack meshes against the rail system itself.
And I do want to mention, as far as your shipping goes, the box that it came in was almost pristine. This product was not damaged at all. And in some cases with larger products, that's a hard thing to get around, but you guys have really seemed to master that art.
Correct, and that's another reason for the 3-piece modular design is to be able to get the packaging small enough and be able to get it to the consumer in 100% tip-top shape.
Right.
And being aluminum with a powder coat, I mean, we're only talking 20-25 pounds worth of weight here. So this is very simplistic and very easy for a consumer to be able to do the install themselves. But if they feel challenged at it, always go to a professional and have the professional do the install as well.
All right, guys, so if you want any more details about the Switchback, check the description below the video. We'll have everything listed for you there, from a part number all the way to a dealer locator, so you can find the Switchback at a dealer near you. Now, if you like the video, leave us a like. If you love the video, subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications every time we release a new video. Thanks again for tuning in. This has been Total Truck Centers in the Garage.